Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make smoked carnitas. We're combining the smoker with your favorite taco, and let me tell you, the results are absolutely delicious, and it's super easy. You won't believe it. To start, you'll need a 3 to 5 pound pork butt or shoulder roast. It'll probably have a bone in it, but don't worry about that. We're gonna take a sharp knife and start cutting off little strips like so. You can actually do a total hack job at this, and it doesn't even matter. You're gonna take all those strips and place them into a disposable aluminum pan. Keep on going until you've cut up all of your roast. Discard the bone and any large fatty deposits, because ain't nobody like that. You should end up with a nice big pile of meat. Then it's time to add some flavor. We'll start with 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Sprinkle that all over the meat. You'll also need 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, because of course pork always needs a good amount of salt. Then we'll add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for some heat, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. If you're like my little brother and you don't like cloves, you can get away with leaving them out. However, I love the addition of cloves. And if you need to tone down the heat a little bit, you can reduce the amount of cayenne pepper. Next, we're gonna take some vegetable oil and drizzle it right on top. Now that vegetable oil is the most controversial part of this recipe, but carnitas are traditionally deep fried. Adding in a little bit of vegetable oil mimics the classic preparation, and trust me, the result is amazing. Then I'm gonna take some tongs and toss this all together so that the meat and the vegetable oil get dispersed throughout. We're gonna start this out in the smoker covered, so you'll need to take a sheet of aluminum foil and crimp it around the edges of the pan. We are ready to head on out to our smoker. Set an electric pellet smoker to about 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you have enough pellets in the hopper to keep the grill hot. Then it's really simple. You just take your carnitas, slide it onto the grill of the smoker, and close the lid. Let it smoke for about 4 hours until the meat shreds easily with a fork. During the last hour, I highly recommend taking off the aluminum foil and allowing the meat to crisp up just a little bit. Then you're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.